Let's view the system communication and data flow for the XProtect Smart Wall. In this example, a Smart Client operator updates the Smart Wall view and sends the update to the management server on port 5432 using TCP. The management server sends the updated view configuration to the SQL server on port 1433 using TCP. It also sends an update to the service channel on port 80 using HTTP. The service channel sends a notification to the Smart Client running the Smart Wall on port 80 using HTTP for Windows and Active Directory users, and on port 443 using HTTPS for basic users. The Smart Client running the Smart Wall retrieves and applies the new layout for display on the video wall.